What's the science behind Michelin-star food and nice? Imagine a kitchen where every ingredient is chosen with care, every technique is precise, and each dish is a work of art. That's what makes Michelin-star food in New York City so special. It's not just about good taste, it's about science and skill working together. Michelin inspectors look at 5 main things when they visit a restaurant. First is the quality of the ingredients. Chefs use fresh, often locally sourced or rare items to make sure flavors pop. Second is mastery of cooking techniques. They control temperature carefully, sometimes using methods like sous-vide, where food is cooked in a water bath at a precise temperature 4 hours. This makes textures perfect and flavors consistent. Third is how well the chef expresses their personality through the dishes. It's about creating a unique style that shines through every plate. Fourth is value for money, meaning the experience should match the price. And fifth is consistency. The same dish should taste just as good on every visit. To achieve this, chefs relying on food science principles. For example, chemical reactions like the Maillard browning give food that rich, savory flavor. Fermentation adds depth and complexity, while emulsification creates smooth sauces. Temperature control is key, especially with techniques like sous vide, which cooks food evenly at a molecular level. Chefs also carefully select ingredients that work well together, based on flavor chemistry, to develop balanced dishes. Presentation is another science, designed to appeal visually and engage all senses. Plates are arranged to highlight textures, aromas, and colors, making the dining experience more memorable. Michelin-starred restaurants in Nice often serve tasting menus that showcase these scientific techniques. Each small course is carefully portioned to highlight a specific flavor or method, giving diners a full journey through the chef's skill set. Since the Michelin Guide started covering New York City in 2006, chefs have pushed boundaries by blending traditional cooking with modern food science. This approach results in dishes that are not only delicious but also innovative and precise. The science behind Michelin-star food and nice is what makes dining here a truly special experience, where creativity and exactness come together on every plate.